My good listeners, those who are subscribing to itraj Pro, those who are sharing, those who are liking our group, our pro group, we say thank you for what you're doing. It's very good because we are making digitalization. We want to tell you that we shall give you every content which takes for IT to learn everything about IT. So the other time we were talking about Word. Even today we are continuing with Word. So after opening a Word document, uh, as said, we talked about home, we talked about insert. Now we are going to talk about design. Now, what do we do in design? Okay, so in design, suppose we've written our letter, we've finished writing our letter. Now we are going to design it according to what we want to put. Okay, so in design, what we need there, if we are doing in letter, we are doing our letter here. So what we need to do is we want like a watermark in it. So with the watermark, these are automatic watermark, which are saying confidential, not to copy, do not copy, but you can write yours as a person. Which watermark do you want? Okay. So if I just say I want a watermark, I will come and say customize watermark. Okay. So after customizing my watermark, the computer will ask me which watermark do you want. So the watermark will say no watermark if I don't want a watermark. Then watermark, picture watermark. If I want to put a picture behind my letter, let's say I have a logo, let's say I have, I think we are together. So if I say text watermark, it means I'm going to text which watermark do I want. So I may say, I will come and say, on where there is the word text, I say mine, no copy. Okay, so after saying mine, no copy, it will ask me which language do I want my watermark to come in. I may choose a language, if it is African, Arabic, anything, any language it is here. I can choose any language where my watermark will come in. So I will say, I will choose, the front size, the front color, the front type of my watermark. Okay. Anything I feel like I want my watermark to look like, okay, mine, no copy. So I'll just say, if I want it diagonal, I will just tick diagonal. If I want horizontally, I will just tick horizontally. Now here, what do I want diagonal? So I will come and say apply. Okay. After applying, I just close. So you will find in my document, my watermark has come in. It is behind my words. Okay. It is saying my no copy. So here we can say, let's put a border, a page color. So I may say, me, I want my color behind my document. Okay. So I come and say, in my document, I want, okay, I want this color. Okay. So that is the color I've decided. So in my document, I may say I want borders. So it's you who wants a border. Which border should I use? Say if it is a box border, if it is a shadow border, if it is a 3HD border, it is a customized border. It's you who knows according to what you want to write. What do you want in your document? So if I come here and say, me, I want customized document, then I come and choose any. I will choose here any of these lines here I want to be my borders. So if I choose this one, okay, so it is saying 3PT, this one can leave them to remain like that, but you can change to what you want, the size of the border. How do you want the size to look like? Is it big to be smaller? Okay, then you come and say, you can even choose if I want this one to be my borders, the art, okay. I may say, okay, then here it is asking you, Is it in the whole document or the first page of your document, or accept the first page? I may just say or accept the first page. I may say this section first page only. I may say this section in case I'm on this one there. That's why I want my border. Then I say the whole document. It depends on what I want in my document. Then I say okay. So it will bring a border on my document. Okay. If I had used the other types of borders, they will also come and look like that. Okay, so in these other things, I may change the font size of my letters here. I'll come and highlight them. After highlighting them, then I choose to anything I feel like I want behind there, any border I feel like if I want this one, it will come changing the word at the same time changing the background color, because this one is like overall of it changes everything, words plus the overall color. Okay, so uh then I think that is always borders. You can add effects. You can just say I'm adding effects. Then you come and choose which effect you want to change. You can choose anything. Paragraph spacing. You can say I want in my paragraphs. I want spacing in them. Okay. Oh, I don't want space. Oh, I want space. It's you who feels like. Eh? Anything you feel like you want, the word will do it for you. Then on layout today, as I said, we are going to see design and layout. On layout, okay, on layout there is where we set our paper. Okay, if we want to set our paper, where do we want our paper, how do you want our paper to look like? Okay, so by the time of printing, it may say we want the paper to go, right, to finish the whole page. Okay, narrow the bottom and right. Okay, we want moderate to be in the middle of the page. Okay, we want in two types, just in the middle, which we shadow it. So it's you who feels that my document should look like this. So on orientation, that's where we have orientation, portrait and landscape. Landscape, that's when we write the paper is wide. Okay, is in on the landscape size. So if we say orientation, we go back to the size we were on. So then on size, okay, it's where we choose which type of a paper do we want to write on. We may want to write on A4, like these usual papers I've been writing on. You just come and click A4. So if you want A5, the big paper, you just click A5. If you want A3, any paper you feel like, the more you go down, A5 is small, A2, A3, A1, like that. So it depends on which paper do you want to write on. You can write a letter. You can say, I want to write a letter. You can say it depends on what you want to write. Okay. So page break, we talked about the other time we are on insert page line. Then hyperlink. Page line is that's where we align restart the page, restart each section like that. That's when we write. If you are writing like a book, okay. Then we have this one here, like people who are writing news. Okay, you have been seeing in the monitor, we have very many lines in one page. So we just come here and say we want our letter to be in three. Okay, like how you see. Yeah? You just say if you see three, it will just come and cut itself into three lines. Okay, then you design them. Okay, if you want to the right, it will take it there. If you want to, it will, you just highlight it, then you say me I want it to be in two, it will change to two. If you want to be on the right side, bigger than the right side, it will do it. If you want one, it will go back at how we designed it. So it's you who decide which one. You can even customize and say me more, I want to customize mine. To choose which one is right for me. Okay, so you may say me I want the line in between. How you say me I want three, but I want the line in between where there. Okay, then you say from here to here there is a line that shows separates the all the this side and this side and this side. So it's you according to what you feel like you want to write. What is the best of you? What do you like? Okay, that's how the computer gives it you. The if you want anything you want, it's you design who designs how it looks like. This is the size of the paper, the lines and the like. I think in layout, those are the important things you're supposed to see there. Then we have view. Okay, so in view, that's where we see our spellings from grammar. If we don't trust your grammar, you just come there and check. So after checking, it will show me all the words I want. Okay, so if the words are fake, I will say check. Then it tells me all the words which are not the right words here. Then I say change them to the right grammar. So it will change all my words to the right grammar. You see, now it is not showing me anything that is wrong. Okay, so if there was wrong or hard like this, is saying change all. Okay, it gives the right thing. It is a matter of telling it that check for me my data to see where I have a mistake. Then it corrects you. That's how word does its thing. Then we have word count. If you want to count them, then in it we can see tick changes. You can say me I want to see where I had changes I've made. Okay, then it ticks for you changes. Okay, then how reject accept. Okay, then you can view here this is where we see our rulers. You want to see the right ruler and upper ruler, you just come and click on rulers. If you want grid like people in mathematics, it will just put grid as you are seeing in behind here. There is a grid lines. Okay. If you want to draw like this thing of mathematics, you just come and put the grid lines. Navigation panels. If you want the navigation panel, you just come and put it there. It comes there. Then one page, multiple page with okay, anything you feel like you want to see in your document. So I think that's all about this interface layout. That's how we use them from home. Then we have this final thing as file where we find information about our file, where we find where we want to start a new page. If we want to open a page, then save as. Here, that's where people get confused from save and save as. We have this save means I had this document saved in my computer. I was doing corrections. So when I'm doing corrections, I just save the file. Okay, then when I'm saving this file for the first time, when it is still new, I have to say save as, and I will know where I have saved it. That is the difference between save and save as. Then we have this word print. If you want to print, okay, you choose a printer, do what you want to do. If you want to share the document, export, close the accounts like that. So those are the important things we are supposed to learn when we want to use this word. So those is all about using word. You shall see more videos of how we are using word. How can I design like a document? How can I design like a tendency form? We shall see them in our next videos. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like our videos. Make sure you share our videos so that you can get more of our videos. Thank you for listening to me. For now, we meet in the next video. Thank you very much. Like our videos. IT Raj Pro, we like you, we love you. Thank you. IT should be going up. Thank you very much.